Happy Thursday. A friend invited myself and a few others over tonight for a time of gab and eating food because we know that's what us ladies do best when we're together. So I thought it would be fun to bring a different type of finger food. In the past, I've made 7-layer dip on a flat, like a glass platter. However, today I'm going to try some of the examples that I've seen on YouTube of making them in a cup. So here is my take of 7-layer dip. The ingredients for my 7-layer dip consist of the following. The first layer is 1 can of refried beans and Frito's hot bean dip mixed together. 16 ounces of sour cream. I only had 2 8-ounce containers on hand, so that's what I'm using. The next layer is guacamole, cheese, and then you're going to finish it off with tomatoes, green onions, and olives. Now you might ask on these first 3, what are these bags here? Well, my challenge in making this today was how do I get it in the cup and make it still look pretty? So my idea was to take the 3 ingredients and use them like a pastry bag. I'm going to snip the side of it off here, and then I'm going to be putting them in the bag, or excuse me, in the cup, so that they layer evenly and that it looks a little bit nicer. So come along with me while we get this started. Okay, let's see how this works. So I'm going to start with the refried beans and the dip. I've cut the hole on the side. And again, you're just going to use it like a pastry bag. Let's see how this works. So there's one. Seems to be going in there pretty good, not leaving a mess on the sides like I was afraid of. This seems to be working well for getting the first layer in there. And then I'm just going to go ahead and take a spatula and kind of push it down a little bit, make it evened out. And the next layer I'm going to do is the sour cream. And I think I failed to mention earlier on when I said sour cream, I also use, this has a packet of taco seasoning in it. So again, this is sour cream and taco seasoning. I apologize, I left that out of the original ingredients. And I just mix those up and set them to the side till they're ready to use. This one happens to be spicy taco mix. You can use whatever, if you like the mild, you can do the mild instead. That looks like it's going in pretty good, not leaving much of a mess on the sides of the cup, which is what I was hoping for. I didn't want it to look funny. So I'll go ahead and finish putting those in there, just evening them out. And then last for these ingredients is going to be the guacamole. Put that on there. This is a new guacamole I've used. It's a little bit thinner than what I'm used to. Usually the guacamoles I buy are just a little bit thinner, thicker. Unless you're making your own. Making your own will probably be really good as well. Okay, then we're going to top it off with some cheese. And it looks like I could have used more of each to fill the cups up. So I have a couple more that I still need to make, and I think I'll make those fuller so they're more toward the top. But this just kind of gives you an idea of how this can work. I think these glasses look really pretty with the different layers in there. I see a lot of the other ones that are on YouTube that they use the clear plastic glasses. I saw these glasses at Walmart today, and I thought they were really cute and would make it look really nice for the 7-layer dip. So next I'm going to put on the olives, and then the last thing I usually top it with are the green onions. Let's do that quick. And there we have the green onions on top. So again, it looks like I could have put just a little bit more of the refried beans in there, the bean mix, and a little bit more of the sour cream and guacamole. But this was my first try, so this was kind of like my test. You guys were my guinea pigs for trying this out. So you can see you have here, there's your 7-layer dip. And that's what it looks like going around. So I'll put plastic on the top of these so they'll be easier to transport. But there you have my take on 7-layer dip in a cup. Thanks for joining me today. I hope you have a great day.